It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Shining at the end of every day.
It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Yeah, good morning. Sorry we didn't do a sign-off yesterday. It was quite a long day. Finished fireworks, we hit up Haunted Mansion. We were going to do Big Thunder Mountain, but then we decided we were up early this morning to get into the massive queue.
75 minutes long.
Yeah, massive queue. For guess what? 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. We need to get it.
I was going to try and sing a song then, but I can't because it would have gone like ho 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 ho. It's a great big tomorrow. Because I can't think of what the song is for 7 Dwarfs. Anyway.
Even I can't think of it, and Julie just cannot get Carousel of Progress out of her head. So, so we're going to get through the queue, get a ride. We have a red.
From the end of the line.
Yeah. Anyway, we need to get it done. We do have a virtual queue for Tron. We need to actually have a look at that and see what time we're getting on it.
What's that song?
Whistle while you work.
Screw.
Don't say that.
The mine.
Small world. Check. I don't know, there was...
Or is it in there?
No, there was some bells that were...
Why can't we go?
It makes noises when you touch them.
There's got to be a hidden Mickey in here.
Oh, there you go, Julie.
She's there on the bed. Did she just move the picture frame? She moved the picture frame, it went crooked. Yeah.
ride on Guardians of the Galaxy. Yet again, another song. Yeah, we got a bit of Blondie one way or another. And we love that ride, don't we? Yeah, it seems to get better every single time we ride it.
Yeah, you're so shocked the first time you ride it, you think you do so much. Same with the second time. When you get to the third time, you start really soaking in everything that's going on.
Seeing more, yeah.
And we've done the good thing, like you said, to drive row 1 and row 9.
Yeah.
Both are just amazing experiences.
So good. So good. So we made it over to Hollywood Studios and we are going to be hitting up any remaining characters that we haven't already got.
Hey, howdy in the hey. How are we doing, toys?
Hello.
I'm doing good. Welcome to the rodeo. My name is Deputy Jabbar. I'm going to be taking care of you two today.
Thank you.
A couple of questions before we get started here.
Okay.
Are we on the dining plan here, toys?
No.
Nope. First time to the rodeo?
Yes.
Beautiful. And I do see we do not have any allergy-friendly requests, correct?
No.
Perfect.
Come in, Mother Birth. We have a yard sale in the forward territory. I repeat, yard sale in the forward territory.
Yard sale? Guys, hold your horses. There's a yard sale. Slate, roll call. You get it. Billy, go.
All right, the first customer is approaching the driveway. She's placing money in a jar for something cold and yellow. It's a
Margarita!
It's a lemonade. We've got a lemonade here.
Lemonade.
A lemonade stand?
This table's going to get real small with the amount of stuff.
Okay.
For charity. Oh, how sweet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we got cheddar biscuits, a cup of jelly as per promise. Got a rootin' tootin' tomato salad, and here's his watermelon salad.
The rum punch on.
Shall I take them off?
Ooh, that's good. Ooh. Right, have a taste of it first without that. Right, have a lick of that.
Oh, it's chili. Chili pepper in it.
Yeah.
Oh, drink it.
Drink it together. Yeah.
It's in my mouth.
Alright.
Try a bit of this before you do.
Yeah, I'm just going to put some food on the plate. What's that, salt?
Right, try that there.
Yeah,
And
there you
then,
go.
and then lick it like you told me to lick it. You told me to lick it.
Oh God, that's strong.
Yeah.
Your lassos and assume your positions. In 3, 2, 1.
It preserves no match for the bravest rangers in the galaxy and the Wild West.
I've got an order here for Mrs. Davis.
Oh, right, Pizza Planet. Mom, dinner's here.
Well done, cowboys.
That's so funny.
Toys who look out for us, who protect us, and keep us safe from sin, so that we can play freely in Andy's backyard. So how about it, buckaroos? Let's give a nice big Andy's Yard salute to our Green Army Patrol, who keep us safe around these parts. On behalf of all of us here at Roundup Rodeo, we thank you for your service.
There is so much.
Reach for the sound.
Fastest cabbage in the West. Yeehaw from Registraw. Get your fix here at the Roundup Rodeo. Before, during, and after high noon.
You're my favorite pig. There's a snake in my.
It's a good idea. Oh my gosh, the size of their platter behind. We get like scones for starters, that's bread. They're massive.
Yeah, they're very nice. They appear like they've got some kind of butteriness inside them when you open them up.
So nice, so you scoff them down like as if it's going to go out of fashion. Same with the salads.
Yeah.
And then my lordy, the size of the next like serving.
Yeah. It's...
I got meat sweats before I even started eating it.
Approaching the rodeo.
You ready?
Contestants in assuming position in 3, 2, 1.
Well, partners, this here train's reached its final destination. Molly, you're gonna bust up the place then. Come on there, little lady.
Well done, cowpokes.
The whole family behind just spoiled it.
Did they? Moving, talking.
Oh shit.
No. So that was a new experience. Yeah. Okay, that was a new experience for us. Queuing for Hollywood Tower and the heavens opened up. It absolutely downpoured. A bit of thunder, and we've just come out of the ride now, and we're starting to dry up. However, that's the result of just how wet Julie still is.
I'm wet. It's wet, but it's drying out.
Yeah.
However, I've got proper curly hair.
Yeah. My beard's not doing too bad, but yeah.
All the rides stopped more or less. Anything
Yeah.
that's outside was cancelled.
Yeah.
So
But-
therefore stops all the rides.
I love how quickly it's actually drying up though.
It's
Yeah.
nice. It just feels like a nice day again.
Yeah. So yeah, it's
I have to find a hat to put on my fringe.
been a bit of a weird day. Donald and Daisy, innit?
Disney's Hollywood Studios presents Disney Movie Magic.
Now your host, Walt Disney.
How long is it since you had a world premiere? Well, of course, the big important premiere was Snow White, but we had a couple after that.
Miss Company. I feel what's to happen. All happened before. I feel what's to happen. All happened before.
Thanks, everybody.